Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to manage who can see your Flipside profile on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, we can go to our profile, click on this profile button, and we can click on this key icon to open our Flipside profile. Okay, and here we can select who can see our Flipside profile on Instagram. We just need to click on this option, and here as you can see that only me can see my Flipside profile because I haven't selected some accounts to be added to my Flipside profile. So we can click on this option, and here you can select some accounts you would like to add to your Flipside profile, so that will see your update on your Flipside profile. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this account, this one, and this one as well. Then after we're done selecting the account, we just need to click on done. Okay, and all right, and now the Flipside profile or my Flipside profile has been updated, and all the account that I have added to my Flipside profile will see my update on my Flipside profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage who can see our Flipside profile on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.